If you've ever juggled multiple projects in Jira, you know how quickly things can get messy and overwhelming. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to organize your projects by using project categories in Jira. And, just as important, how to add a project into the right category. By the end of this tutorial, you'll not only understand the steps, but you'll also know why this little bit of structure can save you countless headaches when managing teams, reports, and project visibility. So, let's dive right in. First, there's one key thing to note. Only Jira administrators can create new project categories. So if you need a special category and you don't have admin privileges, you'll want to either ask your admin for help or pass this part along to them. Now, if the category you want doesn't exist yet, here's how to create it. Head up to the top right corner of your Jira dashboard. You'll see a little gear icon. This is the Settings button. Go ahead and give that a click. This will drop down a menu, and you'll want to select Projects. Now, look to the left-hand side of your project screen. There's a panel listing different options, and here you'll find Project Categories. Click that, and you'll see a list of all the existing categories Jira is tracking. If you scroll right down to the bottom of that list, you'll find a form to add a new project category. Here's where it's worth pausing for a second. Give your category a name that will make sense not just to you, but to anyone else in your organization who might need to use it. Think of it like putting a sign on a filing cabinet drawer. Then, add a short description. This helps later, especially as your Jira instance grows, so people understand exactly when and why to use this category versus another. Once you're happy with those, just click the blue Add button. And that's it. Your category now exists and will be available to all relevant project admins. Next comes adding your project into that category. This step you can probably do yourself if you're a project admin, but Jira admins can do it as well. Start by navigating to the project you want to organize. You can do this from your main dashboard or through the Projects menu. Once you're inside your specific project, look for Project Settings in the left sidebar. It's usually toward the bottom, represented by another gear icon. When you're inside the project settings, look for a section labeled Details. This section is a bit like your project's ID card. It contains all the core information about your project. About halfway down, you'll see the Category field. Click on the drop-down menu here. You'll see all available project categories, including the one you or your admin just created. Choose the most appropriate category for this project. Don't worry if you're not sure at first. You can always change it later as your project evolves or as your organization's needs shift. Before you go, scroll to the bottom and click Save Details. This is super important. If you forget to save, your changes won't stick, and your project will remain uncategorized. And that's it. Your project is now organized into its correct category, making it easier to find, easier to report on, and easier to keep your Jira workspace neat and efficient. This seems like a small change, but over time it really transforms how you and your team navigate your project lists, especially if you deal with dozens or even hundreds of projects. If this video helped you get a handle on project categories in Jira, make sure to hit that like button. If you have any questions, maybe about advanced organization or how categories affect dashboards, drop a comment below. I read every single one. And don't forget to subscribe for more practical Jira tutorials and project management tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.